Hello, today we will guide you through how to loop a video in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to repeat a clip so it plays back-to-back, perfect for backgrounds, short social posts, or ambient visuals. First, open Adobe Express. You can work in the browser or the desktop app. The process is the same. Once you're in, head into a project so you have a video clip available. If you're just practicing, a sample project is a great place to start. The key is to get to the editor where the timeline is visible along the bottom, showing your video as a clip you can select. On the timeline, look closely at your video clip and find the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. This menu sits right on the clip itself. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure the clip is selected. You'll usually notice a highlight or outline when it's active. The timeline is where all the action happens, so keeping your cursor directly over the clip is helpful. Click the three dots to open the menu. A small list of actions will appear. This is where you'll find the tools that let you duplicate your clip without changing its contents. Choose Copy. This copies the selected clip exactly as it appears on your timeline, including its current length and any edits already applied. Think of it as making a perfect duplicate that you can place right after the original to create a continuous loop. Now right-click on the timeline where you want the loop to continue, typically that's immediately after the end of the original clip, and click Paste. The pasted clip should drop in sequence, extending your video so it plays the original, then the duplicate, and back to back. If snapping is enabled, the pasted clip will align neatly to the end of the first clip, giving you a clean, uninterrupted transition. Repeat the copy and paste actions as many times as you need to reach your desired duration. Each paste adds another repeat, building a longer loop without changing the visual content. This approach keeps things simple and predictable, which is especially useful for background visuals or reels where consistency matters. A quick tip for a more seamless feel. Choose footage that begins and ends with similar motion or lighting. That kind of clip tends to loop more naturally when repeated. And that's it. Open Adobe Express, enter a project, find the three-dot menu on your clip, click Copy, then right-click and paste to extend the loop. With just these actions, you can build smooth, repeated video segments in minutes.